Hi, my name is Gehan Ranepura. I'm a fourth-year Physics Ph.D. student here at Graduate Center. I work in Dr. Marilyn Gunner's computational biophysics lab. So I actually found about the biohack from one of my colleagues who works on the same floor as me, Paul Molinaro. He told me how there's a biohack thing going on where computational biologists, computer scientists, physicists all around the New York City area are getting together for this biohackathon where we're given 2 weeks to think of a novel idea using AI or machine learning techniques to figure out a way to solve any type of problem we're interested in.
We built a machine learning tool that will greatly aid in the design of proteins that can bind small molecules. So we had 2 weeks to do it. So the first event you go, you sort of pitch an idea and you assemble a team. And then you show up again in 2 weeks and you say, here's what we built. Here's where we think we can go with this. Here's why we think it's valuable. Pick us to win. It was very much our team all working together intensely over those 2 weeks.
Working together with all these different people of different niches and different backgrounds was extremely exciting because I saw how well that this problem involved so many different aspects of science.
There's 20 amino acids, so you would expect just randomly guessing a 5% hit rate. And I sort of thought, all right, if we can get anything better than that, I'm sort of consider that a success. So I did the first training. We got like on the very first pass, we got like 55, 60% sequence recovery. And I was like, oh man, okay. So like this works. This is like this was actually a reasonable idea. And it works way, way better than I thought. They had a lot of mentors to come in and help you with your pitch, how to make your tool look good to the judges, right? Who basically come from a venture capital background. So how can you say, hey, I did this really cool thing and this is why you should care? And how can we compress that down into 3 minutes?
It was a New York City event, but anybody who was interested could have joined.
It was sponsored by Entrepreneur First and Nucleate. They are companies that try to help young scientists take their ideas out of the lab and commercialize them. Start their own biotechs as opposed to joining huge corporate labs.
Just the whole experience, I'm saying, oh, I could actually join one of these hackathons, and maybe produce some type of program that's, some people want to look at it and say, oh, this actually solves a really good, cool issue. Yeah. And just winning it is just cherry on top.